friends, welcome to TechCat, and today our topic is how to change profile picture on my Gmail account. So now let's start the topic. Firstly, you have to open the Google and log in on your Gmail account. Okay, then go for Gmail. On the right hand side, here is a circle option, our Google account. I click on that. You can see here is a picture image. Click on that. And you can upload your photo. Select a photo from your computer. Okay, then open the image. It's uploading. Then set as profile photo. Now I refresh the tab. Now you can see my profile picture is changed. So friends, I hope you learn how to change the profile picture in your Gmail account. If you like this video, then share this video and also subscribe my channel TechCat, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the more notifications of the video. Thank you.